It is now day 2 at Ebisu Circuit with TJ and Grant. TJ's out there getting some seat time already. He's doing really well. Obviously, we've got Kissa and her Panda 180SX. We're gonna definitely spend a bit of time today looking at this car. She's gonna give us a car check later. But yeah, Chase is doing great, hasn't missed a beat. It actually feels so much better now that I don't have like a restricted exhaust. It's definitely gained a bit more power. But I actually turned the boost down probably by about 7 PSI, just so I'm a little bit more, I guess, even with these guys. Now, obviously I run a lot more grip and stuff like that, but I'm trying to use a lot more less grippier tires as well. These are the Linglong Green Maxes, and they're pretty much the equivalent of a like a Kenda KR20. They're really good, long lasting, and they feel really good. He's loving it.
Yeah, he goes into the woods after he flicks it.
Yeah, I know. Watch him just like fly in. But Grant, how's your car?
It's perfect. Best car ever.
Really?
Best car ever made. Better than Lamborghinis, Ferrari. Best car.
Best car. All right. Love this thing. I didn't know you had a dildo shifter.
Yeah, that's how I go like this into second gear.
Bang! Smash it back.
Yeah, just not even look. Just go bink.
Bink. And then this is your rig, right?
Yeah, this is mine. This thing's sweet.
It looks clean. Yeah, I love it. Like,
it's because he hasn't driven it much.
The flake red. That's awesome, dude.
This is painted. All the stickers are painted on, yeah.
Wow, that's so much work.
I know. It's a lot of work. It's annoying because I don't want it on there.
Yeah. Did it come with the car?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, that makes sense. Are you ready?
I'm ready, baby.
You ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready? And TJ, get some good tandem.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So we head out on track, and first off I'm going to do some runs with TJ. We do a quick warm-up lap and jump straight into it. And I really want you to pay attention to just like my hand movement, how calm I look behind the wheel, and look at this clip compared to the next clip. And I'm going to only be showing my chase runs too, so you guys really get to see my progression here, because this was like the main thing that I have been craving for so long, which is proper tandem practice, and this really helped with that. So you see I kind of fumbled with my hands a little bit there, but watch this next chase for me. You can see I'm entering a lot closer to him. You can kind of see like TJ's car just kind of disappears out of the vision of the camera, which in hindsight, I will make sure we mount the camera in a better location so you can see on both sides. And once again, you can just see like all my transitions are so much smoother. They're more fluid, they're more following the lead driver, and I'm really getting better on that proximity as well, which then leads into the rest of the day, which you'll see. It's Lewis! Lewis, you're on camera with me! Love this guy. He makes things happen. Good dude. Anyways, I wanted to give an opportunity for Kissa to show us her car. So this is Kuruma check, car check.
Yes.
Let's go. Show us your car. Tell me what is your #1 favorite thing on the car, and then tell us a bit about your car. So what kind of engine, what kind of power, like bariki toka.
Okay. So first, my own car, 180SX. I'm driving with this in Ivan Light Series Japan. This body kit is Pandem V3 version 3. This car is debut car.
Oh.
かっこいいでしょ?
かっこいい. Oh, okay, nice.
About 500 horsepower.
500?
Yes.
Nice.
楽しい.
This is very cool.
Oh, you know.
超かっこいい.
Well
珍しい.
でしょ?
That is very cool. コンピューター何?
これ何だったかな? V Pro?
HKS? So HKS V Pro for the computer. The radiator's still in the front. Oil cooler.
Yes.
Nice. Looks really good.
でしょ? 一番かっこいいでしょ?
And this has a little story to it. A while ago, her car caught on fire. Yeah. All right, so let's head inside. I think my favorite thing is inside this car, but
I know.
let me come to this side. All right.
I love and you love this.
This. The sequential shifter in this.
OS Geeken
OS Geeken
FR5.
FR5?
Yes, 5.
Nice. So the OS Geeken sequential, is this for reverse? Reverse engagement?
リバース。でもこれは、オプションね。
Oh.
選べる。いらなくてもできるけど、安全のためにはあった方がいい。
So this is an option for like the reverse lockout. You can have it so that you don't need this, but it's obviously better safety-wise that you do so that you're not going to accidentally ever go into reverse.
そう、私はドリフトカーはあった方がいいと思う。
Yeah.
例えばドラッグとか、
Yeah.
レースとかはいらないかもしれないけど。
Yeah, she really recommends it for drift cars and whatnot, so you never accidentally end up in reverse. Super cool. And then I guess that's the shift light there for the sequential. And this is kind of cool because this is a GK Tech Hydro that's been heavily modified and extended to suit her.
One off here.
One off, yeah, they even like extended the pivot point up here. Very interesting. Very cool.
いいでしょ。
Vertex steering wheel, bright seats. Good.
私椅子前でしょ、すごい。
Yeah.
だからここがディープは抱きできないね。
Yeah, so because her seat is so far forward, if that she doesn't run like a deep dish like drifting particular wheel. It's a very short one. Very far forward.
でしょ、いいでしょ。
Nice. Oh, and the master cylinder S chassis, Silvia no.
あ、そうそうそう、いちご。
S15 one. Not bad. Thank you for showing us your car. What is your favorite thing? Your favorite is this, the sequential? Or one thing? It's too hard, right? It's so hard asking that question, these people.
でも一番気に入ってるのはボディキット。
Body kit? She
Yeah.
likes the body kit the most. I agree. The Pan Am kit is
で
beautiful.
も見たこれ。見た。
There was a little incident. She did this. This wasn't here this morning,
そう
but
モデルチェンジね。
yeah,
ニューモデル。
new model coming, so it's okay. And the D1 light season is over. So yeah, ganbatte ne. I'm cheering for you in D1. Okay, high five. I was gonna do a fist, but yeah. Anyways, we did it. You guys can find Kissa on all the socials. She does have a channel as well, and you'll also see her competing in D1 Lights and FDJ2, which is awesome. So, thank you for showing us your car.
Thank you.
And
ありがとう。
she's gonna let me test the sequential quickly. I'm just gonna putt around and just feel how it shifts. But I've been looking for a sequential for my car for a while, and I've heard only good things about the OS Geeken one. So. Maybe we should, we'll see how it feels and we'll kind of go from there, but maybe that'll be my first sequential. I've never driven anything with a sequential before. I'm not drifting, I'm just kind of putting around. That feels so cool. The seat is maximum back. And when my foot's off the clutch, look where my leg is. That's cool. And then if you want reverse, you lift this little thing up and go again. But that's great. Man, I like this a lot. I just wish I could fit in the car more. The boys are out. Get him, TJ, get him. Nice. TJ's killing it. First time driving right hand, day 2. Love to see it. Love this thing.
So good.
So good.
Like-
Jealous.
So like old and like slow.
It's the perfect age,
But
right?
it's like not early 90s
Yep.
crap, but like late 90s.
Yep.
It's like it is.
A little bit of digital, a little bit of...
It's like yeah.
Yeah.
The reason why I like it so much is I just appreciate the heck out of it.
Yeah.
Like I don't know. I love it. Now it's time for Toge.
I jumped straight into Toge. I have not driven this in the longest time, so I was really excited to just get out there and start shredding. You're gonna see me though on this first lap being quite conservative and feeling things out. I was also thinking to myself, I don't remember hitting rev limiter this much before on Toge course up the hill. And we get completely blinded by the sun, which takes me by surprise, and I just had to guess where the track was. Kind of didn't end up in the right spot, but it worked. Here you're going to see me take a little bit of a different approach to this hairpin, where we go straight and across and more direct, which gives me so much more speed around the corner and means I don't have to clutch kick when we're completely bogged down. This section here, see that little hump there we just went over? Feels insane in real life. Feels like you're hitting a jump and you get this weightlessness feeling. So I wish the camera did a better job at showing that movement there. You see I'm still kind of going really conservative, and it's not the greatest line as my first lap out there. It does take a while to warm up the Toge, and we restart this lap. By the way, guys, let me know in the comment section if you are loving these voiceovers. I definitely enjoy doing them because I feel like it adds a little bit more of like what's going through my head while we're out and driving. Up the hill here, you're going to see I am modulating the throttle a lot more, staying away from hitting rev limiter. And then here we get blinded by the sun again. It was gnarly, probably the scariest thing. We didn't end up in the right spot, but we made it work. And you're going to see me actually take the old approach here, which is just a little lungy. And that's because my tires started getting really hot and really slippery. That's just because the tires that I'm using while we're drifting with the boys is not grippy at all. They're just super cheap tires so that I can hang with them. And we come through here. Not a bad line through here, honestly. It was quite nice. Man, I'm just watching this. I love Toge so much. Everyone has to experience this track once. Coming around this little hairpin, and I get a little too ballsy here against the dirt wall there. We'll switch to an outside shot in a little bit, but I shut it down. There's no point doing more than 2 laps, otherwise I will completely destroy the tires that I have on there. And we pull off track. So let's switch to that outside shot now. Had to jump in the passenger seat with Grant while he chases down TJ on the Toge, baby. Experience, like being able to drive the Toge track at Ebisu with your 34 GTR that you bought in Japan.
Yeah. I can't afford to crash into that car either.
Yeah. To be honest, I don't think he can either.
No.
Very cool. Those Nismo tail lamps look beautiful.
Oh, I love them. Gotta catch up.
Drifting behind, it's so good. After Toge, me and TJ headed back to school course to get a couple more runs in before we ran out of time. The track closes at 4 p.m. so I think here we had about 30 minutes left, and we wanted to do like 6 laps or so before heading up to North. You can see here I've improved so much throughout the day. I'm a lot more kind of relaxed behind the wheel, doing the right thing. You see me doing an upshift there to third because my tires are starting to run out, and yeah, overall not too bad. And now we are at North Course. So pretty much the moment we got to North Course, I put on a fresh set of tires and I just went ballistic. I had about 10 minutes left and I just wanted to throw down some of the most insane lines possible, and of course throw it backwards. Don't worry, I definitely fixed these gauges in the next video. Trust me, they don't fall out anymore. Maybe that was a bit better than yesterday's video. Anyways guys, we are at the end of another video of driving with the boys at Evisu Circuit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very much struggling to focus on vlogging while we're driving. I am just having so much fun and getting so much seat time that I just want to keep going out and driving, and I completely forget to set up cameras and all that kind of stuff. And I think you guys understand, like, I'm seeing massive improvement on my chasing and my tandems and just in driving in general and whatnot, and I just don't want to lose that. So whenever I like see something I need to improve on, I go back out there and I try to fix it right away. And yeah, I think the videos are really going to start showing that, especially in the next few days. I think there's going to be like a big jump of improvement coming. But just overall, an amazing day. Lots of great driving, lots of seat time. And I haven't had any major issues with my car, which has been awesome. The thing just keeps going and it won't stop. And I love that. That's why we went with this platform in the first place, and why the JZX100 with the 1J is just such a reliable drift missile. It's amazing. Anyways, that aside guys, if you did miss out, we did do a drop last weekend and we do still have some stuff in stock. So if you haven't grabbed yourself any yet, please head to sammit.net right now, take a look at what we have in stock and grab yourself something. That is helping us out immensely right now. And with that, I think we're gonna kind of leave things there with today's video. I hope you enjoyed, I hope you learned something. I hope you kind of saw you just see how much I'm putting into this and just how much I love drifting and how seriously I'm taking it. And I don't know, I hope it encourages you with something that you're doing as well. But yeah, that aside guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Have those notifications turned on because we've got some more insane drifting content coming around the corner if you love this. And with that guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Jamata.